Hey guys, Dave and Todd here with a monster 2-ton unit here, and these suckers crank out the hot and cold air because this one has superheat. But because of the weight, we have to ship it on this plywood here. And so the first thing you're going to do, you pick out a spot where you want to put this unit, and then once you get it, you're probably not going to want to keep this resting here because over time this will attract whatever termites or if it gets wet or whatever. Probably, why else would they want to take that off, Todd?
It'll rot.
It'll rot. Simply put, it will rot. So in this same drill bit we give you for the other parts, like mounting the indoor unit mounting plate on the wall, the same Phillips driver will take this off. All right, think you can handle that one? That's step one, but do that on all 4 screws here. And we could have had a neater work environment to make our video, but the only other notable difference on the installation, and there's the last of the 4 screws over there. The only other notable difference on the installation for the 2-ton is we ship with this flexible line set. So you can, we always say be real cautious with a line set, but this, I mean, don't whip somebody with it, but it's pretty impervious to kinks, right? And so that's wonderful. And the reason we give you this is because on the 2-ton units, it comes with 1/2-inch low pressure refrigerant line, and that's very prone to kink because it's the same diameter copper, and yet it's a bigger diameter vessel for carrying the refrigerant. And because of that, it's problematic. It's very easy to kink. So other than that, it's a quick and easy. I'll install, watch the 1-ton unit. So it still has this port for connecting the quick connect communication control wires. The solar connects right here, and it'll have, we don't have it here yet installed, but we'll have the twist to connect these right here. The twist to connect valves for the refrigerant lines, okay?